Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to help you fix the issue of Windows Update getting stuck during downloading or installation. So if your Windows 11 or 10 update is stuck at 100% or at some point, and it's also freezing during the installation, before we begin, keep in mind that Windows Update can take up to 2 to 3 hours. If the percentage isn't increasing after an hour, then follow the video for a solution. Here's what you need to do. Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager or open the Services section. And in Services, you need to stop the Windows Update service that's running in the background and downloading updates. To do this, press W to quickly find the Windows Update service. And if it's running, disable it by clicking on Disable and then Apply and OK. Now restart your computer or shut it down and turn it back on. And after restarting, go to this PC, then open your C drive, and in the C drive, open the Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder, you should find a folder called Software Distribution. This folder contains all the downloaded and updated files. Select everything inside this folder and delete it. Now you have deleted those files, go back to Services section and start the Windows Update service again. You can also enable it and set to automatic. So click on Apply and then Start, and now everything is done. Go to Windows Updates section and click on Check for Updates, and this is simple. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.